Okay, so there's been a leakage in the ceiling, so that's why all this has been ripped apart. And the leakage came from here. This is the aeration from the sewage, and the exit from on the roof. It had an improper attachment, so water leaked down and caused a bulge on the plates here. And now the people are here trying to fix it. Now I find this a little bit worrisome for while the water have gone on the ceiling in here, it could also very well have gone to the walls. So I'm gonna hope that's not the case. Hoping that little thing there, because the water should be coming from the right side here of the pipe, and probably stop there at the attachment, the joint there. But you know, we'll see. Oh yeah, look how open and clean and